Business model, your blueprint for success. What's a business model? Simple. It's how your business makes money. It's the plan, the strategy, the roadmap to success. Think of it like building a house. You need a blueprint, right? Same goes for your business. You need a clear plan to turn your idea into a money-making machine. A business model outlines everything. Who are your customers? What are you selling? How will you reach them? How much will it cost? How will you make money? Without a clear business model, you're flying blind. You're guessing, hoping for the best. And trust me, hope is not a strategy. A strong business model gives you clarity. It helps you focus on what matters. It guides your decisions, helping you avoid costly mistakes. It's the foundation for growth and scalability. Bottom line, your business model is your secret weapon. Master it, and you're on the road to winning. Team up, finding the right partners. No one succeeds alone, not even Gary Vee. You need the right partners, the right suppliers, the right team to help you win. Start by identifying key partners. Who can help you deliver your value proposition? Who can help you reach more customers? Who can help you streamline your operations? Think about suppliers, distributors, technology providers, even competitors. Yep, you heard that right. Sometimes collaborating with competitors can be a game changer. When choosing partners, look for alignment. Do they share your values? Do they understand your vision? Do they have a proven track record? Don't be afraid to be picky. The right partners can make or break your business. Remember, partnerships are about more than just transactions. They're about building relationships, creating win-win situations, and leveraging each other's strengths. Action plan. Key activities for your business. What do you need to do every single day to make your business run? These are your key activities. This is the work that needs to get done to deliver your product or service and keep your customers happy. Key activities can include things like production, manufacturing, creating or sourcing your product, problem solving, providing consulting, coaching, or other services. Platform management, maintaining and updating your website, app, or online platform. Marketing and sales, reaching out to potential customers and converting them into paying clients. Customer support, answering questions, resolving issues, and providing excellent service. Break down your business into its core activities. What are the essential tasks that need to happen to make everything else work? These are your priorities. These are the things you need to focus on and get right. Fueling success. Essential business resources. Resources are the fuel that powers your business. They're the assets, the tools, the people you need to make things happen. Think about physical resources, office space, equipment, inventory, financial resources, cash, credit lines, investments, human resources, employees, contractors, advisors, intellectual property, patents, trademarks, copyrights. Identify the most critical resources for your business. What do you absolutely need to operate and grow? These resources are your competitive advantage. They're what set you apart from the competition. Make sure you have access to the resources you need when you need them. This might mean securing funding, building a strong team, or developing strategic partnerships. Section 5. Stand out. What makes you different? Here's the truth. There's a lot of noise out there. To succeed, you need to cut through the clutter and grab people's attention. You need a strong value proposition. Your value proposition is what makes you different. It's what makes you stand out from the competition. It's the reason why customers should choose you over everyone else. Ask yourself, what problem are you solving for your customers? What pain point are you addressing? What need are you fulfilling? Your value proposition should be clear, concise, and compelling. It should be easy for potential customers to understand what you do and why they should care. Don't be afraid to be bold. Don't be afraid to brag a little. Tell the world why you're the best at what you do. Section 6. Building relationships. Connecting with your customers. Customer relationships are everything. In today's world, it's not enough to just have a great product or service. You need to build strong, lasting relationships with your customers. Think about, how will you acquire new customers? How will you keep your existing customers coming back for more? How will you turn your customers into raving fans? Your customer relationship strategy should be tailored to your target market. Different customer segments have different needs and expectations. Some businesses focus on personalized service, others focus on building communities. Some prioritize self-service options, while others offer dedicated account managers. The key is to find the right balance for your business and your customers. Section 7, reaching your audience, choosing the right channels. You've got a great product, a strong value proposition, and a plan for building customer relationships. Now, how are you going to reach your target market? You need the right channels. Channels are the touch points where you interact with your customers. They're the ways you reach out to them, communicate with them, and deliver your product or service. Consider online channels, websites, social media, email marketing, online advertising, offline channels, print advertising, events, public relations, direct mail, direct sales, sales team, retail stores, partnerships. The best channels for your business will depend on your target market, your budget, and your overall marketing strategy. Experiment with different channels and track your results to see what works best for you. Section 8. Know your customer. Identifying your target market. Who are you trying to reach? Who are your ideal customers? You need to know your target market inside and out. This means understanding their demographics, age, gender, location, income level, and psychographics, interests, values, lifestyle, aspirations. What about their pain points? What problems are they facing? What needs are they trying to fulfill? The more you know about your target market, the better you can tailor your value proposition, your messaging, and your marketing efforts. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on becoming the go-to solution for a specific group of people. Section 9. Counting the costs. Understanding your expenses. Running a business costs money. There's no way around it. You need to understand your costs to price your products or services appropriately and ensure profitability. Identify your major cost drivers. Fixed costs like rent, salaries, utilities, and variable costs such as raw materials, production costs, shipping. Calculate your cost of goods sold to determine how much it costs to produce or deliver your product or service. Factor in your operating expenses like marketing, sales, and administration. Once you have a clear understanding of your costs, you can start to develop pricing strategies and identify areas where you can cut costs or improve efficiency. Section 10. Making money moves, generating revenue. This is the fun part. How are you going to make money? Your revenue streams are the ways in which your business generates income. Common revenue models include sales, selling products or services directly to customers, subscriptions, recurring revenue from subscription-based products or services, advertising, generating revenue from displaying ads on your website or platform, and affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting other businesses' products or services. Choose revenue streams that align with your business model, your target market, and your overall goals. Don't be afraid to experiment with different revenue models to see what works best for you. Section 11. The Big Picture Business Model, Canvas for Success. The business model canvas is a powerful tool. It helps you visualize your business model, identify areas for improvement, and make smarter decisions. By breaking down your business into its key components, you can gain a deeper understanding of how everything fits together. You can identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. You can refine your strategy and stay ahead of the competition. The business model canvas is not a one-time exercise. It's a living document that should evolve as your business grows and changes. Revisit it regularly, make adjustments, and keep innovating. Remember, the key to success is execution. Don't just create a business model canvas and let it collect dust on a shelf. Use it as a roadmap, a guide, a tool for driving your business forward. Get out there, hustle hard, and make it happen.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.